Okay, good. So if you see from the pair that from the one that I tell you, right? Okay, like for instance, right, I put as okay pound USD. Let's go. If when I only start looking this one is on Tuesday.
Tuesday. Oh yeah, you never look Monday one, right?
Because Monday really just starting also consider starting. It's today just now. It's NFP. It's NFP just now or past
It's going
last
to end. And
past.
today or last week, ah? Last week was second, so I'm also not sure. Is
Wait,
it still clear
I see.
holiday or not?
No, I see the yeah. That's why because usually first it's like what beginning of the week or whatever. I really very lazy want to look at the pair because of the if that news and all that.
So much news, right? Some more like beginning
Yeah,
of the year.
correct. So wait correct. Non-farm payroll today.
Oh, today ah? So just
Just
now
now.
only lah.
Just now only.
Oh,
Correct.
no
Nine.
wonder,
If Singapore time 9:30 9:30 what 9:30 I thought it's something 8:30. Oh yeah, maybe 1 hour late
no wonder I see
Why?
the 1 hour chart like
Crazy
1 hour ago at the 21 o'clock one. Look very weird, right? 1 hour.
Weird.
Like
Okay.
it went up and went down.
Right. So I really before on Tuesday when I take the analysis, right, I never even see what's I never plan that is going to be any NFP this week. I never go to such extent. I just it's just subconscious. I know this is going to be NFP week, but I never check. You got subconscious. My subconscious said this may be NFP week, but I never check. I'm more interested in my what kind of format I want to do. So, example for instance, right now, okay, pound USD. If you look at the weekly structure that I put is uptrend.
Hmm.
Okay, so if you look at the weekly structure, right, why I say it's uptrend is because of this structure here, these candles moving towards the upside. And then I also state that that is the structure lah. The structure is an uptrend. Okay. So the
Hmm.
weekly PA, which is the price action, right, is within the
Inside.
inside bar. Correct.
Yeah.
So technically right now, if before the inside bar, price is on uptrend, so it can be continuation towards upside or reversal towards downside. But the
Hmm.
weekly momentum, you see, right? The weekly momentum, when I see the weekly momentum based on previous week, I see weak sell momentum.
Yeah.
But I never put weak buy momentum or strong buy momentum because I really see it's only weak sell momentum. I never see strong buy momentum also. Why not? At
Yeah.
this, at that point of time, so I mean structure, price action, momentum. So these three I find is a weak sell momentum. So all these things, right? So my outlook, right? I say, okay, this is more of a buy. Okay, this on Tuesday, no, Tuesday, my
Hmm.
outlook is buy.
Bye.
Then my conclusion is at the okay, see, this is Friday, right? Okay, I think Thursday, sorry, how got no bar replay, right?
The bar replay is it? They shift it to
Is it? Other
eh,
side,
I think you go to the top there, the reverse, but the one next to the clock, next to the alarm clock. I think
Oh
so.
yeah,
Ah.
they change,
Yeah.
Thursday, Wednesday, okay, Wednesday, okay, see, so I look it as here, no, so at the point of time, right, when so you see my conclusion, right? Okay, weekly structure uptrend, recent momentum. So I don't want to look for a sell. I don't want to look for a sell. So my outlook is to go for a buy. So when I go into the
Right.
and then when I go into here, then I see my outlook right. H4 right is wait for a buy signal. But based on this one, right, there's no buy signal that I can
It's
that I
like
can take, right? No, no,
yeah.
there's nothing that I can take. So okay. So wait, let me forward. Okay. Then I wait. Okay. I mean, this is not buy signal, what?
Yeah.
So I still wait, until Wednesday. Then I said, Wednesday when you
But
open shop
this
like
time
that, huh?
you didn't buy because usually this type is like considered weak.
Yeah, yeah. For instance, and again, I want to see, H4 buy signal means, example, for instance, what I'm saying, right? If H4 buy signal, this item will go up, like until here or something. Okay, okay, then I can stand by it.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
get what I
yeah.
mean? I wait for buy signal, lah. So when I see this, I said, this is not buy signal, lah.
It's not
That
because
I totally turned off, lah. I said, well, look for sell or not? I mean, even though, I mean, I said, then should I look for sell? Then I said, heck care lah. I really heck care lah. I said, heck care lah, don't care lah, don't care. I mean, there's no buy signal that I can take, okay? So there's no buy signal that I can take from the H4, correct?
yeah.
And then the day yeah, then the day passed out, then I said, nah, babe. Then I mean, no, the thing is, even yeah, I never take the sell,
Mm,
but it's my decision not to buy, why not? My
yeah.
decision is not to buy. So I said, fuck lah. Then I leave it lah. I leave it again. I just leave it. Then
Okay
until
lah.
then tomorrow the market open again. Then the market open again. And then because my weekly and structure is there like that, right, I never really change my mind.
Yeah, already,
So I never
yeah.
really change my mind. Then I say I wait again.
But then
Then I wait again. I wait again on Thursday. Then I say, okay, still no buy signal. Then I really then I said, fuck lah. I really don't trade. I never trade. I never take anything. You get what I mean?
so you really didn't
I
take
really
a
never take. Then just now, so before I talking to you, I went for a nap. I wake up 9:40 like that. Really, because I set my alarm clock. I said I got meeting with you. I got a meeting. I set a meeting with you guys, man. I said
yeah.
I really put alarm clock. And then I put alarm clock. Then I open my, but I put my
You
alarm
open your
clock.
trick,
Then not
you
open
go
my
to
trade.
sleep.
I open my MT4. Because I set my clock down, I put my people. I see it is the because before I'm meeting with you, I have to see how I want to propose and share with you my setup and all that lah. What I think about the market and all that, why not?
Hmm.
So I went to see the chart lah. Then when I see the chart, I said, then suddenly, how come? Oh, this one buy signal now. But I never even know NFP, really, really. I said, is this buy
Oh,
signal?
you really,
I said, I never know NFP. Is this buy signal? Then, okay, then I said, for me, example, if this has come early of the week, maybe I can consider, why not?
today summer Friday,
And the time now, yeah, lah. And the time
Wow.
now, then I was like, this fucker, I wait until from Tuesday, until
You wait lah.
Wednesday. I never do
Very
anything.
patient
No, the thing is right now, is really like, it's like, okay, so because what we 1-1 never trade. Consider 1-1 we never trade. Why not?
Yeah.
So if 1-1 never trade, then I think it's like, it's good. It's like what, it's better to take not to take trades when we think that it's not going to work out lah.
I mean
Uh,
better like don't know lah, 1 month better be just careful lah, 1 month.
yeah lah. So no, I mean it's a good what are they? Good practice and good habit for us because okay right now, okay, so this is the okay, if we look at the pair right now, if we look at this right now, okay, even though this because as you know lah, like at this point of time, there's nothing much that the market can do already. Correct.
Yeah.
But now you see the format that I share with you, the format that I share with you. Okay. Now, upon seeing the price action that we are seeing right now,
Hmm.
okay, and then next week, let's say I want to enter the market again. Next week will be. I mean, of course, I'll be still looking at pound USD. I'll still be looking at pound USD. Then later now, after we have talked about this, right? Then we will see how we are going to apply it to other pair. Maybe another two, three or four, a couple of pairs, lah.
This is uh, your
Sorry,
watch
sorry.
list,
Can you hear
yeah?
me?
Yeah,
Hello?
can. I can hear you.
Hello?
Hello? Can wait I type
Ah. Bodoh betul. Eh, baik. Uh,
Hmm.
Hello.
Hi, Raska. Can. Now can hear you.
Bodoh lah ni. Sorry.
Why?
Okay, can still see the screen, right?
Can see.
Okay. So now we back to our okay, let's say now okay, assume right now okay, based on we are going to use this one for next week for Pound USD. Pound USD
Hmm. Hmm.
So for weekly structure, okay, but I will put like for instance, right, okay, this one Pound USD, okay, I put under this is the on top Pound USD, then followed by the weekly structure, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I will put on that day I put 7 January. That means 7 January is the point where I start to analyze this pair. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so weekly structure right now. So if we go at the weekly structure right now, has the main thing, right, is are we seeing a downtrend?
We are not seeing a downtrend.
Weekly, no. Correct.
Really.
Because now I'm talking about weekly structure, correct not?
Yeah.
So weekly structure, are we seeing an downtrend? Actually, no. Correct not?
Still,
Actually, it's like sideways lah. Okay.
yeah, now sideways.
Correct not? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So okay. The thing is like okay. At least right now, what we can understand at the end of the day when I do see that, okay, weekly structure uptrend. So even though this week, right, the price never go up, but it's not a downtrend. That means our weekly structure is still okay. Why not?
Yeah.
And then how we justify that this is still an uptrend and not downtrend because price never go past the previous low. What?
Mm.
Correct? Correct. Right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
so
it's still
now
sideways now, right? The
yes.
last two
Then
weeks.
technically weekly price action considered still now is inside bar but even worse coiling.
Yeah lah,
Correct not?
yeah.
Even worse coiling.
Even
Okay,
worse.
correct what?
Then
Our
why are you
weekly
looking at it, Russ? Then why
what?
are you looking at it?
No, no,
Seems
no, no, no. The,
like
the, the, the
coming.
the thing is that okay, for instance, okay, what see so in this case, right, you see the weekly price action, the inside bar, you insert one word coiling inside bar for next week, correct not?
Yeah.
But the weekly momentum, you don't need to add anything. It's still the same one.
Oh, true.
No, no, correct, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Weekly structure, the uptrend, we cannot change to downtrend, right?
Not so fast lah,
But we
right?
cannot, example, it's like what I see, okay, okay. Technically, right, if you want to put next week with this structure, right, you want to put sideways, right? That means okay, you want to put sideways, nothing wrong, nothing wrong. But we are taking if I want to put with this structure as sideways, that one is only for this week only, right? The past few weeks, it's not sideways, eh?
Yeah.
No, correct, right? Correct
Yeah.
me if I'm wrong, lah. You let me know lah. Past few
Yeah.
weeks is not sideways. That means you tell me sideways is only this week, eh? So I won't. So with this structure, I will not want to change the uptrend to sideways. I will remain as uptrend. You know why? Because the way I see my outlook, right? Sorry. Uh, my outlook right now, I see my outlook is at this push, and then this is considered a pullback, and
And
then
then it has and then go back.
you get one pensel? You get one
Yeah.
pensel, no?
Yeah.
This is my outlook. Now
Mm.
we're not looking at buy already. It's like well, for instance, here, like you see this kind
You
of
still have to wait, right? This one.
down on this week, No, I mean for instance right now, in terms
No.
of weekly, right? Because weekly, in terms of buy signal, right? Weekly is quite. It's a good thing for us to buy to look for buy because there's no strong sell momentum, right?
Mm.
Right? There's no strong sell momentum, and then there's a weak sell momentum. But the problem is there's no strong buy signal that is showing in the daily or whatever lah. Right?
Yeah.
So I would, if you, and then the thing I want to illustrate, for instance, right, in this manner, right, you see, okay, if you look at these, where is it? Uh, this manner, you see this one very strong bearish there, correct not?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then right now, the bearish has already consider very starting to get slow already lah, correct not? I mean the
Yeah.
bearish now is starting to be a bit bullish actually. And then if you look at this example, I'm going to give you the current one, the one that I tell you about this one got a lot of strong buy, right? Strong sell, then now become weak sell. If you look at the 4 hour previous, like now, wait,
This one. Oh.
see, in the 4 hour, right? When is this? In the H4, how does this change from this up to down? Is from here actually. Look at this. Very strong buying power here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you look at H4, this is actually a sell signal. If we base on these two info only,
How?
why not?
Oh,
This is the strong buy
right.
power, right?
Yeah.
Then why suddenly the buy power now become like that?
A week, week,
So that's
week.
why this one, because
Okay.
of this price action, right, it changes to downtrend.
Oh,
So this is where just now I said, but this one is I look for H. If that means
you have to go
in
to
if
H4 lah.
yeah, that means this conclusion is only H4,
Because if you
Not
look at the
this one is
weekly,
not this one got nothing to do with weekly.
yeah, you cannot see, right?
Cannot. But this one is mixed. No, you see the one I show you weekly, right? The other one got strong sell. Then right now it's up and then weak sell. You try to put that idea of perspective into this one that I'm sharing with you. It's the same logic,
Ah, yeah.
right? It's the same logic. It's the same
Yes.
logic. Okay, you get what I mean?
Yeah.
So that's why right now. So even for instance, this one I just now buy also. I say lah, Friday
Ah, risky, Friday.
Friday it's not just risky waste of time I want to say risky, no, risky is a waste of time. So now for next week, wait for a buy signal.
Buy signal.
Wait for a buy signal for it's like another way another just now also okay some before to better justify our analysis, right? Whether to buy or to sell and all that lah.
Hmm.
Or whether what is our overall conclusion that we want to take, whether we want to buy or we want to sell. Oh, I'm still on replay. How to end the replay? Ah,
Like different like that, right?
yeah, super loh.
You bought the paid version, ah?
What?
You bought the TradingView paid version, ah?
How you know, Why?
I can tell.
Yeah, I buy the paper. It's
Uh,
for because they got replay and all that. So for me, it's something good for me. Okay lah. Spend a few more lah, right? Okay,
you
Then
bought during the Black Friday or not?
what?
Did you buy during the Black Friday sale? The one that got free 60% off one?
I don't know, I forget already. I
Oh.
know it's last year. Okay, like for
Oh.
instance, right, okay, see,
Hmm.
when we see example, right, okay, this one originally, if you see from here, this one downtrend, then this one, this push here is the start of an uptrend actually. This one, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So
Some higher high, right?
the thing is right, okay, not just high. The thing is right, if we are going to again we are going to apply the replay method replay method.
Hmm.
Okay, the thing is like if price is in an uptrend, then we want to look for buy, then price go down, is it the beginning of a downtrend or not? That is the most, I would
Yeah.
say, trickiest
Tricky.
question, very tricky for everyone. Okay, so I think the best way for me is that I think that the thing is like
Right.
after every push, if we say that one is an uptrend, right? Okay, let's say this one is an uptrend. Okay, how are we going to justify that if the market go down, right? Is it going to be a downtrend or not? So there are two ways. One, okay, so this one is an uptrend, so we go normal lah. You know my favorite lah. Previous low lah. Okay, so
Yeah.
if level low, if price go down, the candle go down past this previous low, then I would say that this uptrend probably no longer in use already lah. Okay.
Mm.
And then this one actually break the previous high and then break past this previous resistance as well. Okay, so I'll give it to put the
Oh,
here.
wow. Suddenly, this one,
Huh? What?
suddenly so high, this one.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so we see example now price go down like that. Is it a down? Is it a downtrend? Is it start? In this case now, oh, start to be down. People when we see this, right, we say, oh, this is start to follow here. But actually, right, this one start to get very low already. So example, actually, say strong buy, a strong sell, start to get
Mm.
weak, even weaker actually. So actually, it's going to be it start to go up already.
Up already.
So that means right now, this downtrend is no longer valid. So the thing is that right now, is this uptrend
Continue.
continue or not? So like for instance, our weekly structure already suggests to us that it's still uptrend. Okay, it's still uptrend. So this one, see this down. Is this downtrend or not? No. This down, is it downtrend or not? No.
No.
This down, is it downtrend or not? No. This down, is it downtrend or not? Technically, still no lah.
Yeah.
You get what I mean or not?
Yeah.
For me lah, the way I see it it's still no. It's still no. It's still to me, it's still not downtrend. Okay, but buy the things right now is a very good location for a buy. It's just that we are not seeing the good buy signal yet lah. I say most probably next week.
Wait
This one
until,
is, but this one is really for good for sellers. One lot with Tuesday, just keep on.
yeah.
Right. But then the thing is, like, this kind of signal will work, will work if we don't see weekly.
But then, can we risk not seeing weekly? Like,
That's
as
why
a,
I say. Like for me, I know I'm used to I mean
it feels like a risk
I
not to see the weekly,
ah
right?
ah Monday maybe I really super seldom. I do see, but I don't really put a lot of focus in it. I mean, my focus are really weekly, daily, you know. I mean, the one that tells me about direction, where the price want to go, the
Huh.
answer needs to come from my weekly and daily. That means, if my daily is not giving me a lot of answers, right, I must go to my weekly. So, but usually my whole area of, I mean, like long term, because weekly is really long term already. Okay,
Yeah.
it's better to look at the weekly. Okay. So now we already clear on pound USD. Okay. Now let's go to gold. Gold I also long time never
Hey,
see.
you got touch, go.
Never see. Long time never see. Okay. Let's go to gold. We fucking Monday first. Hmm. Yeah. So from the monthly, see from you see not see from last week, right? Last week close. If we had It's Tuesday, right? We see last week close or last week bearish. This week look for sell. Then it's not going to work, right?
Yeah.
Example, this one, if you look at your daily, of course you will look for a sell. But if
Yeah.
you look from your weekly structure, right? Now I ask you weekly structure, is it downtrend or not? Weekly
No?
structure. Good.
Mm.
So, of course lah.
Long time I never look, Papa. Okay, if I
No,
cannot.
no, no, because we
Yeah.
want to apply the things. I mean to
Yeah, true,
simplify
true.
ourselves for 2026.
Yeah.
So what kind of outlook we want to take moving forward?
I feel
So
still.
for gold, right, weekly structure, uptrend.
Yeah.
Okay. Weekly weekly price action. Last week there's no weekly price action I can see. But this week right now, probably high chance inside bar
God.
close.
Oh.
Okay, probably inside bar close. But then for momentum, okay, momentum this what I see right now this is not weak sell momentum, of course. But is it a strong buy momentum?
No.
No, correct. It's actually no. Correct. It's actually no. If you look from here and here and this one is actually not a very strong buy momentum. So in this case, right, for gold, So yeah, I need to do my homework now.
You write
Goal.
down one ah. Wow.
Yeah, goal. Now must write down already. Dia what dia? 9 January. Well, how long this one write down? 5 minutes settle eh? Why not?
I think you got good discipline ah. Sometimes
It's
yeah,
not good discipline. It's strategy. Example for instance, I mean, we see this 5 minutes this 5 minutes of jotting down
huh.
because we cannot remember one. We cannot remember what happened last week. We cannot
Hmm.
remember what we analyze, how we analyze, what we see.
Yes, so yeah.
So it's something for us to fall back. And it cannot be so like when people when I read it say you must write a journal. Then I ask myself, journal must be how long? 50 words, 50 words, 100 words minimum. The thing is that what do you want to see? And then do we want to wait for very strong? It need to be very simple, simplified, something that is very simple for us to do. Right? Why not? I don't believe in complicated stuff. Serious. So weekly structure is uptrend.
Hmm.
Okay, weekly structure is uptrend. But the weekly PA is I will put inside bar now. Now it's inside bar. Fuck, again, no, 2026. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? It's still happening, eh? Weekly momentum is I will say week by momentum. Because this technically if I based on weekly momentum is to look for a sell but we have to because it can still reverse right?
Yeah.
Uh, this is different than pound USD Week sell momentum. Weekly momentum is week by momentum. My fault. My bad. Week by
Week.
momentum.
This is your week. Yeah, week by.
Week by
All right.
momentum. Week by momentum. Okay. So my outlook, right? Person going to be sideways. Outlook is sideways, waiting sideways. My outlook is sideways. I would actually if week by momentum it's more into a sell. See the Walao, crazy leh. Like macam
Very
want to
crazy.
no
If
like
you go look
limit
at the
like
monthly,
like macam want to go inside bubble account Oh you crazy leh. Wait I just put sideways first. My outlook is sideways sideways. I can't do anything yet. Outlook sideways H4 wait for walao if my outlook is sideways H4 I want to look for what I also don't know. Okay, let me see the daily. Now
daily is how
see just now I said weekly is the week by momentum Why not?
yeah.
Daily also week by momentum, right? Why not?
Yes. Week by momentum and then
Yeah. So I think the
and you
most
go.
safest I see this is what I think the most safest way is that I would wait and when is this going to become a downtrend? Oh, this one touch the inside bar breakout. Okay, lah. If price go past below this one, then maybe look for a sell but if not, just wait first.
You must wait for this price to break first, right?
Yeah. No, because right now, okay, first of all, there is it's a weak buy momentum. So weak buy momentum to look for buy is risky. So
Mm,
yesterday close was a big buy to me. But it's weak buy momentum, but then buyers are pushing up. H4, I think, but H4 is looking good. But I still forget it lah. At this point of time, I really forget it.
you don't want to
Hmm.
complicate the thing, right?
Hmm. So for gold sideways. Sideways first for weekly it's sideways. So if price want to go and inside bar breakout
What must you do,
yeah,
You think the
that
inside bar break
okay another way okay
hmm.
another way right is to wait past if it managed to have strength to break past the high of the mother bar.
Um,
That is the most safest way.
Break the mother bar first, right?
4550. Wow, this one way crazy. I think 5,000. Really, what? Really,
Yeah,
really. This one is wake up, I tell you 5,000. 5,000 is, I mean, this is
crazy man.
2026, man. I don't really, 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 really. This one is. So can, I would say, keep a lookout for this one.
No
Keep a
lah,
look.
no lah.
Interesting. This one keep a lookout. Keep a lookout.
I
Because
scared.
because in terms of structure wise, okay, in terms of even though weak, you can see weak bar momentum, look for a sell is good. Nothing wrong. But structure wise, I still uptrend. Why not? Structure wise. Why
Yeah,
not?
yeah.
Structure wise, still uptrend in terms of the because okay lah, we justify this one, this push, this one small pullback, and then this one push, and this one maybe pullback. So probably maybe starting of the week. I'll see how next week. If it start to go down, bit, then maybe I can start to look for buy lah.
But if not, eh?
If not, then wait lah. No, I mean, I'm not going to buy from here, of course. Whatever position right now, no. It's already go up, no use. Anything from here, no.
Oh,
Anything from here, no. Very dangerous.
okay.
Very, very dangerous. You are near to the highs. You are
Yeah.
near to the high. You are near to where the sellers are. Dangerous. Super, super dangerous. So I rather wait. So and if we look for
It's 11 o'clock.
sorry. I forgot. Which AI talk to me is 11 o'clock? Is it
Oh,
the
no, no, no,
Philip?
no. Mine on my side, my side.
I thought, I got AI.
I said the thing every 30
I
minutes.
said I got AI, man. I don't know, man. Okay, never mind. Then start. But this demand zone haven't tested. 4 here.
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
Haven't tested. Maybe this area can wait for next week around it
But the
should
pullback is
come
a
down
wait a long time, what?
huh?
If you want to wait for the pullback, it's a long time, right?
It, 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 it will pull back one. It will pull back one. It will pull back. It cannot go out like that one. You know why? Because the weekly is week buy what? The weekly is week buy. Daily yesterday, even though that is not strong buy, it's not yet. Not yet. But daily, that means, see, daily, in this case, right? Wednesday, you sell, no use. Thursday, bounce back. Right?
Yeah.
Monday, fucker. Monday is apa breakout? Barbie lah. Really
Monday, oh.
See Monday. See I go down. Monday, okay, this one is mother bar, inside bar force break. Go back to inside bar, coiling. Wow, coiling inside bar, huh?
Boiling
Coiling
so nice
inside bar on
somehow,
the
oh.
daily, crazy this one. And then weekly not coiling. Weekly is inside bar, but daily is coiling. Monthly is coiling, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. More
Boiling
like
until so nice, right?
no, not just nice, in the monthly, you cannot even see any of the sellers. That's the scary part of gold.
Yeah.
Right. Daily, we don't see any. I mean, it's a weak bar momentum, but we don't see any strong sell momentum. That's why I never see my outlook. I say sideways. I never say sell.
Ah, yeah lah.
My outlook is sideways. I never say sell.
Sideways. Not sell
I
immediately, yeah.
I never say sell. Because the structure, our weekly structure is not looking towards downside. And then now the price action we see are coiling in bar. Consider exited out of the inside bar already. Now we are anticipating it to go out of the mother bar. One way or the other, it's going to come out of the mother bar. Like I think this one is also coiling, right?
Yeah.
Done? Mother bar, inside bar, coiling.
Boiling all the way.
Wow, how many days is one? One inside bar, coiling, third one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trading day. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you trade is really super sway. What kind of what
Very
kind of
soon.
no not very sway, right? What kind of fancy can take from here? Cannot leh.
Nothing to take. But
Nothing to
it's
take.
right lah. Actually, shouldn't trade during year end lah.
Correct not? Yeah, that's why I say that's why I say December last month it's better not to trade we see last month December if we had trade I will buy also very shortly. Sell also shortly. Correct not?
Yeah.
So it's okay lah, it's a good. For me last month really the best one is July. Seriously man. July is the best. I will always remember. Not July. End of July, starting of August. August, September, October. Shit.
How about the beginning of the year? What is your experience like?
Usually, example for instance, right, beginning of the year, usually I think February then it will pick up. Let's see whether like example for this year, right? Or last year, right? See? Last year, December, weak sell momentum. Okay? Weak sell
Yeah.
momentum. And then followed somehow December become inside bar. Parker, this one.
Yeah.
Right? December 2024 become inside bar. Then January become inside bar breakout.
That's why.
Now is
Oh,
January.
it's just.
Oh,
How?
yeah.
What do
Right,
you think?
crazy,
Your
right?
experience?
No, can break out leh. No, because usually, for instance, I see the way this one, right? I think it may break out first and then maybe come down. But even monthly structure is uptrend. There is no justification for a downtrend. Right? The low, even the low price, the low close, right? Price have not passed the previous low, so right? This
Yeah.
one is not really past the previous low because it actually make a false break. It went past the previous low, then kena push back. Right?
Mm,
So technically it's not a downtrend. So for last week, those people who hold until today, all kena wipe out lah.
very
Right?
teruk. Then
Kena wipe out. And then if their outlook is you still remember the guy who tell you the goal outlook is to sell at that point of time is correct lah. But overall, long-term view it's not downtrend lah.
yeah. Yeah.
That one is because that's why the structure high the weekly structure seldom change. Okay so we already do two so for gold is sideways. For pound USD is uptrend. Yen I long time never see. Yen which one you like
I like pound yen lah.
Pound yen
Hmm.
Why nobody like Aussie and NZD yen?
No. And NZD yen okay. Aussie no. Don't know why I don't have good experience
Is
with
it?
Aussie.
But actually you will find it weird my best experience with yen is always CHF yen. I don't know why. I don't know
Aussie
why.
yen, is quite nice.
Right? No, funny, right? I was like example, if you tell me to choose CSF yen, pound yen, in terms of fluctuations to prices, I will take pound yen. But in terms of success rate, every time when I take yen pairs, it's CHF yen. I don't know why. I don't
Oh,
know why. I
I
tried
never
lah.
count lah, but I know kind of got good experience with CHF yen. Yeah.
Yeah,
And
try
pound yen.
CHF yen Okay, CHF yen. Let's go to our weekly structure. Interesting. Okay, weekly structure. Wait, fall back.
Very confusing. Wait, no lah. I don't know. Misleading?
No, it's not. It's like what Wait First of all I cannot say uptrend because never past previous high. Okay.
Oh,
No lah. Before we want to write down, you must justify Okay Number one, and then to say sideways, price have already broken previous low. Right.
Yeah.
To say sideways is hard because price has already broken previous low. So for me, weekly structure is look towards selling. So might be look it's like what I want to say sideways to downtrend. How
Can meh? To downtrend ah?
Yeah lah, yeah,
Because
I
it
mean,
tends to
no,
make
yeah
higher
lah,
high.
yeah lah. No, for me, downtrend is good lah. I want to say sideways to downtrend. I mean, like what I meant sideways to downtrend, meaning it's like this one, like, you will probably go around here a bit more than go down like that lah.
Yeah.
You get what I mean or not? That
Yeah.
means sideways to downtrend. I mean, it's more downtrend, more bearish. I would say with this structure, downtrend. Downtrend, bearish.
Downtrend bearish.
Downtrend, bearish.
Okay,
For
I so
weekly structure, wait CHF yen, CHF yen, yen. Because we do all these things first, then after we do this, then we will see the monthly lah. Don't look at the monthly first then. Because I got see people start from month, they start monthly, then go down to weekly, then to daily, then H1, and all that, right? And then when I look back, that doesn't really turns out the way they analyze.
Mm.
What I find then that's why I like,
Have to like
So
change
that doesn't mean you start from Monday, that means you confirm in Chinese say 报应 no lah. There's no such thing lah. There's no 报应 one, I tell you. So weekly structure is bearish downtrend. Good.
You write in your notes on the
Yeah, on my notes. But I every time use my phone to trade.
Mm.
Downtrend, bearish. Then usually I never put the I never put the price and all that. Because the date is enough to tell me it's enough information for me to see where lah. Why not? The date. Okay, weekly structure downtrend bearish. Weekly PA. Walao, weekly PA. What kind of PA is it? I don't know leh.
Yeah lah, strange New year, new PA.
Okay, I know. I know.
What?
Doji. Doji lah.
You mean has in the
You don't know what doji
yeah, no, the doji to go back downside?
Yeah lah, okay, what is
What?
doji?
No, wait, there's a name for it. What sun? No, what sun?
Walao, rising sun is it?
Not rising sun. Got another name for this doji.
Morning star, evening star.
Evening star, evening star. Yes, evening star.
But yeah lah, can lah. But I prefer call it doji lah. Because okay, first of all do okay, to know how is it doji first I'll ask you, doji big candle or small candle
Small
usually?
candle.
Yeah, that's the most simplest form. Doji is small candle, and usually when small candle happens, right? Usually before big thing move small candle will come first. So doji will happen. Doji can be a reversal Doji can be a reversal.
It's
Reversal is
usually a reversal or like a
usually
pattern like
usually
that.
doji is usually reversal for inside bar, even though it can also be a reversal, but it's a lot aging towards continuation. Correct or
Mm.
not? But it
Yeah.
can be reversal also. But doji is I find a lot of time doji is reversal. A lot of time based on experience Okay. So weekly PA doji. That's just now before I think of doji I want to write don't know.
I don't know.
Correct or not?
Yeah.
No, I want to write don't know. Then I think doji lah. Walao, stupid. How can I just get don't know? That form. Hello, can you hear me?
Can.
Yeah.
A bit echo just now
Yeah. Weekly momentum. Weekly momentum. Week sell.
Big sell.
So
Week for next week. Uh,
outlook, look for sell, lor.
look for sale. Ah.
Okay, now let's see on daily, before we even go to weekly, okay. So for me, if price wants to assume that this is going to be a buy signal, right? Consider lah. I usually price will try to attempt a retest, they call it, or not. I'm more like to call it retest, or not.
What? Asian got name eh? Asian got another
Asian
name. Asian
Asian
also.
wait, I'm more like retest. Asian usually we call it going for resistance.
Yo, I was like, I was so
Alright. Support because Asian is like macam support resistance like that lah.
yeah.
More is a retest. Retest
Oh.
the what like key level. Every time they talk about key level,
Ah,
walao sian I want to hear about
atas.
key. Ah, key level. Like Asian we are simple This one is the resistance level. Simple.
Ah, simple.
Mm. Because usually because most of the time if they want to reverse or they should attempt or one more here. Like for instance, right now on this daily, because we know to see H4 H4 is bias takeover already.
Mm,
Why not?
yeah.
No need to see H4 bias takeover already. But then the thing is, I can what, there's no guarantee that you buy here can go up.
There's no
Why
guarantee,
not?
yeah.
There's no guarantee that your buy here can go up. But the outlook for this one to go up is a bit unless price can go up 198, we look for a sell. In this case for H4, it's already inside our breakout lah. H4 only,
Hmm.
but we don't look at H4. H4 is to see how we can see the outlook. So CHF yen will look for a sell. So I think for pound yen, that one don't bother lah. Because pound, I'm looking at pound USD.
Hmm. Because
USD pair, okay, now
you
USD pair we
sure,
have
I
already.
know you sure look at Euro USD and
Yeah, but I don't want already nah. They chill lah, I don't see I don't see you.
yeah, don't want already ah.
I want to see. Let's see other. Okay, now we got pound yen. I think I don't want. I
Uh,
minus pound yen.
I
Okay,
know you don't like USD yen. I know you you take USD yen, right?
No, I never take. USD yen.
You never
I
take,
never
you
take.
take, right?
Usually you see I like this type of pairs. Okay, this type. Okay, like but NZD or NZD and Aussie, which one I prefer?
NZD. I feel NZD the more stable than
Yeah.
Aussie.
Well, let's go for Euro and NZD and see whether can we see any good form. I mean, if not Euro NZD, Aussie NZD don't want Euro NZD or Pound NZD. Yeah. Okay, Euro NZD or what What
Euro
NZD
NZ or
NZD.
Aussie, you want Aussie and
Mana?
yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, can hear? Can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, can hear.
Test. Shit.
Can yeah.
Can you hear?
Can
Hello. Hello.
can hear me?
Testing.
Testing?
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear? Okay, okay.
Can can hear?
UNZD.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can hear me.
Yeah, can. Yeah. Just now that
Okay.
one. Okay. UNZD, let's go quickly. General station then we never see monthly, right?
Not yet.
Wait, let's go. So just to see only. Too early to call inside bar lah, because still running. So don't care lah.
Don't care.
Don't care, don't care.
Don't trade
We
lah.
don't, no, 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 we don't care about, because we look at the monthly, then we look for a buy because of the bullish candle, but we don't want to make our conclusion like that.
Based on this.
Don't want. You want that day weekly based on previous week. Okay, now before I give you my answer, you tell me with this structure, uptrend, downtrend, sideways.
Sideways.
Oh, I want to say sideways, you also know,
You see
Actually,
I
no,
was
no,
like, what?
no. My first initial answer, I thought uptrend already. My first initial answer is uptrend. Then after that, I see that I said, really?
Actually, that's
Alright.
when you open, I also see. When you open, I also see. I feel like
No, first answer is uptrend. Your first answer, uptrend, this one.
yeah,
Then
lah,
after
first
that,
lah, then you look at the current
then after
daily.
that, then I see this one, then I see this one, Then I see, until here from here, right? Oh, it's somewhere, since until, I will say, here lah, October. October, 1, 2, October, wow. October, November, December, 3 months. 3 months. What, 3 months? 3 months sideways. 3 months sideways.
I mean, at least it's safe lah, right? At least got no crazy movement
Correct,
lah.
no? There? 3 months sideways.
Yeah, at least
Sideways. Okay, weekly. Okay, weekly sideways.
weekly.
This type of sideways, I hate to trade this type of sideways, market. But, don't know whether can we get any price action. Wow, this is even more worse. I don't even know what to call doji or what. I still don't know.
This is a gap.
Oh, coiling lah, fucker
Oh yeah,
lah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, got me. Mother buy.
Coiling. This one,
Wait. Oh.
fucker,
But you
coiling.
meant I thought you meant the candle before it.
No, no. At first, I cannot get an answer. I cannot. I don't know why is this question? What is nothing? What? Nothing. I just say what is this question? I don't know. Then after that, coiling.
Why
Now
is
then
it?
I know coiling. Interesting, Coilings mean it will break out quite crazy. The problem is which direction only. The only problem now, you only get 50% of the answer. Right? Not?
Yeah.
The 50% of the answer is that it will break out chart, yeah. Okay? It will break out big. The breakout will be very big. It will be substantially big. Substantially big. Like example, see,
So
this inside.
so long, some more weekly.
Example, see, coiling, right? See, this one mother bar, inside bar, coiling, still coiling, right? Then after that, you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, all this. Crazy, right?
Yeah.
Coiling inside bar, we know it's going to wake up crazy, right? Crazy. Going to wake up crazy. But given this, is there strong sell momentum? I don't see.
You don't see it. Strong
Right.
weak buy momentum.
Weak buy momentum, yeah, it's a weak buy
Yeah.
momentum, but there's no strong sell momentum. So that means sideways was so don't sell. Don't sell at least until price make an actual excite bar breakout lah. 'Cause actually, you make a fakey, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
It looks, is it Vicky?
Fakey,
I was,
yeah.
I was thinking,
This one
if
fakey, what? Yeah, this one.
then would it, okay, like if that time
Walao eh, Monday fakey ah. Monday. This week.
oh, Monday,
No, no,
right?
no, no. This one,
Monday,
this one is weekly. My
December,
fault.
December,
My bad.
December.
Walao eh, December. December, man, this one?
Yeah,
Ah, December, ah. Ah, December 2025.
yeah.
Oh,
Because
the
you're looking at
weekly, the
weekly.
weekly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The first week of December. The first week of December. First week of December, we make a
Vicky.
fucker week. First week of December
But you
already.
didn't trade that time, ah.
Oh, first week of December already make heart pain. Then after that, want to go up, Walao, pop, go down.
You made the good choice, Ras, not to trade during December.
Yeah, no, no, because I think no, I lost for the first 2 3 days. Then I said, fuck, fuck. I never had good luck in December. Then fuck it lah. Then I conclude. I said, stop lah. It's not. I mean, it's not what it's not doing well. I don't think I move in the right direction also. I said, fuck, I just stop it first now. Because I've never done well in December, historically.
Yeah, take trade December has your break time.
No, no, really, no. Then I thought maybe I break my jinx, ma. Then I said, still the same
Uh,
shit. I thought I break my jinx. Then I realized, fuck lah. That means really conclusively history never changed lah. So never mind. So until price break this one, Euro NZD sideways, but I'm not. I'll just put the level here lah, but I won't be looking at it much lah. For me, I don't like this type of pen sideways because no power. Cannot, but don't sell lah.
what else?
Your that one still have what? Are you still looking at palm oil?
Yeah, still looking at palm oil.
Still looking at. Okay, weekly
But I really like I look at it few days also. Then I don't know whether I want to trade or don't want to trade also.
Okay lah, never mind lah. No, at least right now because at least okay. Let's say you want to trade or you do not to trade, you can use this method also. What? So weekly structure, right? Weekly structure for last week, right? It shows the sideways.
Sideways, right?
Why sideways? Because never passed the previous low, right?
Yeah.
Never passed
Yeah.
previous low, never passed previous high, sideways. So we justify that in that manner. So in this case, if last week you justify this week is sideways, right? That means sideways, but it's not a sell. Why not? Because never passed previous low. Why not? It's not a sell. So
Yeah.
if you don't sell, you are safe. Right? Why not?
Yes,
Technically, if you don't sell
technically, yeah.
yourself, but if you buy also doesn't mean you're safe also, because your weekly structure you conclude it as sideways. Why not? You conclude
Yeah.
it as sideways. But in terms of structure,
Is it overall?
sideways. No, okay. This one interesting. For me, interesting. Interesting in such a way, right? That even though it's sideways, right, it can still go up, man. Sideways, price action wise, right? There's no price action that I can say. In this case, right? In this case, the only price action that we can say is doji. The only thing you can say is there's doji. But this doji, even though it's a weak buy momentum, right? Even though it's a weak buy momentum, you must also remember, even though weak buy momentum, also remember, price never pass previous low, right?
Hmm.
So technically still don't sell, Don't look for sell. Don't look for. I won't look for sell in this manner. Like for me, my outlook is like that, the way I see it, But it can or can it may or may not work. But whatever it is, right, I will see this for the next few weeks, My outlook is this one. I don't look at that already. I only look at this one. then probably going to like that, and then will be around, and then probably go up. So you see how it goes. You get what I mean?
Yeah. Because yes.
You get what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not looking at this,
Like
no.
that,
I'm
right?
looking at this only. I'm not looking at this. I don't care about this
You're,
only. I only care about
you're
this.
looking at the new wave,
Yes,
right?
yes. I look at this new wave already. Okay? So for me, my outlook for Palm Future right, is to do for a buy. That is for our weekly look for a buy.
Mm.
Okay, daily daily today of course is a very good example not to go for a buy.
Not to trade, right? Today is a good example.
It's a good example not to go. That means the best trade is on a Wednesday for palm oil for this week.
Mm.
Right? Wednesday is the
Yeah.
best day. But if the Wednesday you hold on until big no, then can before this one. Right? Okay, if that means we are not looking for a sell, so looking for more for a buy. So actually you
Right.
see at this kind of pattern and all that, right?
Yeah. Avoid,
Example,
right?
I mean for now nothing can do. Nothing can do. But then for next week, right? In this case, example in this case, right, we know we are leaning towards the buy, right? H4,
Mm.
I'm looking for a buy signal lah. But in this case, it can still be an inside bar breakout lah, or out of this coiling inside bar. But not today lah. Probably early
Like,
Monday or maybe Tuesday or Monday. See how
mm,
lah. It's either Monday or Tuesday. It will probably break out lah.
okay.
It will probably break out Monday and Tuesday because we already got the first wave here, right?
Then
First wave
this,
here, pull back, another wave here. So maybe pull back a bit more, maybe here, then go up. So
yeah,
palm
the
oil, yeah. So
fly.
yeah,
Yeah.
look. The thing is because yeah lah, I mean like if you want to justify downtrend, there must be a structure in place. The structure is not downtrend. Monthly got justify. Monthly also no justification that is downtrend also.
It didn't break the lower low, right?
The it went past the previous low, become lower low, but price push up.
Mm.
But even though it's still too early, let me see. Some monthly, right? Mm, mm. But monthly, the most scary part I see from here monthly. First of all, we see in Sabah breakout already. Right? So in
Yes.
Sabah, we see in Sabah breakout. That one one thing. But the
Is that
scary
what
part,
break out? Yes.
in Sabah breakout. But the scary part I see from this monthly, is that I don't
Oh.
even see any buyer.
Eh,
Right? In the monthly, I never see any buyers, okay?
yeah.
That's the scary part for monthly.
Completely, right?
Monthly, I never see any buyer at all. At all. At all, no buyer. Weekly,
Scary, yeah.
is
Weekly
the
can pick up
buyer is
lah.
the buyer on December? The buyer is on December. Scary, scary, scary.
I think maybe also same lah. Maybe lah. I don't know. Also, December is not a good time.
Never lah, no good
Everybody's
time.
taking a break. Everybody's taking a break.
Yeah, correct. Even daily, you see, like example, for instance, like see, this one, this one. Even January, actually this second, 5th January and 6th, right? Second, see, 2, 5, second, 5 and 6, right? If you see at the momentum, actually not so strong, right? Right. Actually, this whole freaking thing is not strong, actually.
It's very weak, right? I mean,
Ah,
it moves a little bit, not that much, right?
ah, ah. I mean, waste of time, this one. Could all waste of time. A bit of waste of time now, for now. For
Yeah,
now, it's a waste of time.
yeah.
But, see, I never try, but see, we try something. I never try. We try. Can put, let's
How?
say, 3 months. No. 1 month, 3 months.
You can put
Try,
custom also, right?
Custom, that's what I say. 3 months. Try 3 months, cannot.
You
Try.
just keep
I
on
just
there,
look,
what?
look only lah. Yeah, 3 months. Yeah, this one 3 months. 3 months. It's just testing. I
Your first time testing the 3 month also, right?
because I never put inside our weekly. I said weekly, I never said 3 months.
Yeah.
That one is stay. This one is just to take a look on it. Testing. Packer lah, coiling inside bar so long. Walao the coiling. Crazy leh. Since when
Very crazy, eh?
Since 2022, my God, now it's 2026
No
leh.
way. No way.
You go
What?
and see
Calling for
lah.
3 years?
You go and see.
Yeah,
Why not?
I'm seeing. That's why I say no way. It's like 3 years
Unbelievable eh. You mean monthly we cannot see coiling inside now?
monthly.
I don't know leh. Okay, this one is, wait 2022
Monthly what also?
2022 coiling inside
Oh,
bar. Wait, let me see. Monthly cannot see yeah. Yeah, monthly cannot see.
2024 got lah. Like why
Monthly
not?
no, monthly got but the, oh, this one then,
Yeah, this one.
wait. I put
No,
level first
never.
Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. So it answer your question already. Sideways, sister. Wow, good 3 months.
Are you going to
No,
use 3 months for
I don't
foreign?
know. No, I'm just testing. I mean just now. No, because okay, if we don't look at 3 months, right? Our natural focus are at least until here lah. Right?
Hmm.
At least until here, or if really sometimes only here lah, actually. We never really care about here, we never care. But still, price action is price action, right?
True.
Apa lah, no wonder
Yeah,
lah.
I'm looking
Holding inside bar.
for so long for
Very
3
long.
years.
But some more coiling inside bar, then now doji, ayo, even more crazy leh.
The whole
Huh?
thing is crazy.
See doji coiling inside bar doji. And another scary part there's no strong sell momentum also. Right? There's no strong sell momentum.
Yeah.
Totally don't have. There isn't. This one really play with people on this one. Oh,
Risky
ah,
all this
risky,
one.
risky. No lah, but at least you roughly know which are the two key level key level. But price never. Oh, actually some fakey lah. Wrong. I put price here. This one is the this is the mother bar, right? Fakey go inside. Fakey go inside. Fakey go inside. It goes a lot of fakey. Two fakey from below, one fakey from on top. Now price in the middle of this zone.
Yeah.
Mm.
So it can go either up or it can either like you can touch either
Mm.
support and
Mm.
or the
Correct.
resistance.
But if you based on the recent monthly, right, it's an inside bar breakout lah. Recent monthly.
Hmm.
Recent monthly, but it's still within this big mother bar here lah. But in this case, right, inside bar breakout lah. I mean, for all we know, this can be a new wave down also. Can also. Can also. Because right now, no matter what we do, right, in the monthly, right, in this case, right, monthly, right, if we just based on this monthly, right, in sub-bar breakout, and actually downtrend lah.
Yeah.
Based on this, if we don't take this reason from the 3 month and all that, right,
Just take based on what
just based on the recent,
what is
price
doing,
action,
right? Yeah.
and then price previous low. So in this manner, right, in this manner that we see right now, right, is don't look for buy lah.
Mm.
Why not? Based on this recent, because this is the monthly, you got 1, 2, 3, 4 months of data to tell you it's not a buy.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay?
Because
So
right, this one, yeah lah, true.
Monday look for a sell. I mean outlook right is look for a sell. For all you know, this doji okay, so right now maybe I don't know maybe this doji is actually this weekly doji
Reverse.
close is actually a good sell signal because it's a weak buy momentum.
Big buy, right? Like signal us to sell, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
It's a good signal for sell next week. Next week good signal for sell. Now
Down this
we,
one.
we go back and see 3 months for
For this one,
yes, this see how the outlook show the 3 months. Let's see, like interesting. Let me see 3 months.
the longest already,
3 months. Okay, even 3 months, right? In the 3 months sideways, but it's not downtrend because price never break previous low, right? Right. Price never break previous 3 months low lah. Previous 3 months low price never break, right?
Yeah. Hidden.
Yes. So still technically a buy. Still buy. So our weekly still stands. Example this one see. 1, 2, this already price already make a new low, break previous low. Weak. You look from the just now on that day, just now I tell you the example, right? Example you see look at this strong buy here, right?
Mm.
Then suddenly got one weak buy here.
Big
So
buy here.
it's a sell
The
signal.
signal, right?
Why not? It's a sell signal already. So for instance, in this case, this one, while this is strong buy, this is a weak buy, if it's like on 3 months, it's hard to see, but there is no strong sell signal. There's strong sell signal here, but suddenly the last 2 months, right, price already starts to recover. Rally, they call it rally. Amo. Price rallied,
Really,
price rallied. Price rallied to the near highs. So we should look for rotation down the key level areas to look for buy fast lah. Buy support lah kanina lah. Just say like that can or not? Okay, so look for a buy still. 3 months, okay, good. Gold no need to see 3 months.
Oh, it's so
Gold
nice.
three
The whole goal is so nice. It's just
gold
like go
three
up
months
only.
is
Yeah.
yeah.
It's just so beautiful. It's just up and up. If I own gold, then I'll be very happy lah.
So the guy who tell you go and sell tell you to go and suck cock go what history lesson what go to 19 simi fuck lah. Look at the
Yeah.
price action now lah brother.
Yeah. It's so beautifully up,
Crazy leh. No, but the thing about gold right is beautifully up, but the problem is always about the entry point because when the price fluctuate very fast,
Mm.
and then the your trade cannot cope also.
Oh.
Allow with the weekly. Wait let me see. I never say go sell, right? Yeah. I say sideways. I never say sell. Okay, good.
Mm.
Daily start to push up already. H4 start push up. But it's already 12 o'clock. Forget it. Wow. Good. 还有 Sabah breakout bullish engulfing fucker lah.
Mm.
At this time, can you believe it?
Yeah.
Crazy, right? Actually, this bullish engulfing is not good time to buy. It's actually this is a buy signal. Then buy. What the fuck?
But anyway, it's like just after NFP, what, right? So
Yes, after because NFP bring the price down, right?
yeah.
Ah, walao, those NFP confirm got people sell one. Scalper will sell. Oh,
Yeah.
already, this one going to break out already. It's okay, even if you miss. But at least we know that right now for Outlook, right? For Outlook it's still sideways. Oh, okay. So yesterday was considered a buy signal lah.
Hmm.
Right, in the daily, yesterday was actually considered a buy signal. I think it's going to break out of this quite big. The question right now is to find out where to buy. That's all.
Yeah.
Of course, not today, of course. Okay, not today. Wait for next week. Wait for next week.
Next week.
It should. I mean, my best hope is for it to come back and retest the previous broken inside bar area, which technically around here. Yeah, that would be our buy zone lah.
Hmm. When it retest lah
Yeah,
next
before
week.
it to retest. It will retest. It will retest. Very high chance it will retest.
Wow.
It's like see okay. See I'm going to give you an example for this one. Normal lah, replay. Okay, inside bar, right? Kau nak inside bar?
Yeah.
No breakout. No
Replay
breakout. No breakout. That one is inside
doji.
bar force break. So
Uh,
actually the force break is actually a buy, but wait until price go out of the inside bar first. Okay, price go out in inside bar already, right? See price go out in inside bar already, right? I'll put an area where price break out, the zone where price break out. But usually at the
now's a good time, right?
hmm?
Oh, this is a replay. Yeah.
You don't know. I'm just trying
Yeah.
to tell you my the idea behind it all okay. So once the price break out, okay, price break out, price retest, then that is where we look for a buy. That's why.
Yeah, so nice.
You get what I mean? So in this case
Yeah.
now, price already break out. So now we shift this up a bit according again to the breakout place. Just now you see what I say. Now I say go back. Why I put my zone here now you understand?
Yeah.
It's the same logic. Usually inside bar the best way to break to trade right is find the zone in which the breakout is and then mark the zone then wait. That's the best way.
Hmm.
That's the best way. So good. I mean, it's good. I think it's good. It's a good positive thing. I think the outlook is
It's
getting
good, lah. Yeah.
better than December. Serious.
Yes.
December.
Yeah.
January, right? December. January. So 4 hours, sorry. See, December, right? During December time, it's sideways, Waste
Yeah.
time, really, December. Really, waste time. This is the one that that guy what predict lah. Okay, going to go down. Calat. But this one is nothing wrong lah. Correct. It looks very very strong. Super strong.
Hmm.
So confirm US fuck lah. I think the Trump do something again right.
Yeah.
Now do what thing lah? I don't know. But now it's really out. I think outlook for gold 2026, right, is still a buy.
Up, but
Still look for a buy. So I think for now, our setup is to focus on these three pairs, these four, five pairs first. Okay. But Palm I never trade lah. But it's something for us to look for a reference point for us to look for a sell. Just remember that for palm oil, right, there is the coiling in Sabah. Remember that one, the coiling in Sabah since July 2022.
22.
Okay, remember that. Always remember it. If you want, you can mark in your charts, right?
You know, I'm
Mark
not.
your chart, your key level lah. Key level for the monthly.
Yeah.
Monthly, I will say, okay. Okay, that means because the monthly level is always more stronger than the weekly and daily and 4 hour lah. Then at least you will know what kind of range you are dealing with for your palm oil. Okay. So that's why your palm oil right now, if you, example, you're having hit and misses, now you know why.
Yeah.
Because it's actually sideways to begin with.
Unpredictable. Yeah.
It's actually sideways to begin with. That means I'm very sure you don't tell me, you don't disclose to me. I'm very sure in your last year, the whole of 2025, any trade that you take with palm oil, confirm got some you sell. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
But then got
You
some
don't.
confirm you sell works, but got some sell, you say, suddenly why, how come go up like that? You also don't know.
Yeah.
Now you know.
Now, now you know what 2022.
No,
Serious.
now you understand, right?
Yeah.
Example, the sideways market, right? The thing is like that. That's why, for instance, when we put in, that's why I think of this method, right? When we put our dates, when we put our structure, price action, momentum, then we will know what kind of outlook we want to, because it's like see if we don't do this every week we want to buy or want to sell, which one long term, which one short term, which one, it's very confusing and
Yeah.
hard to follow. So it's better to see on a long view, like long view we are only starting 2026 still got 11 more months to end of 2026. Fine
Yeah.
not?
Yeah.
And in the middle of this 2026 I'm very sure the volume will pick up. It will pick up, I tell you, serious.
Hopefully by February.
Okay, no, to answer that question, you can just look at the monthly also. Like example, for instance, you look for monthly, then you can also see when historically, right, price starts to pick up also. Can also see. Okay, like example, if you look at this one is when let's see. This one February start to pick up. This year, right? Last year. Last year February pick up all the way until June. February, March, April, May, June. What? 4 months, right?
Yeah.
4 months, So probably February. So
February.
February price pick up for 2024. 2024 is May. But the thing is, if May start pick up, right? The first 4 months of the 2024, right? This kind of price action, I mean, what kind of entries you can take?
Nothing. Yeah lah.
Yeah, really nothing. Nothing. But you see, these 4 months here, compare now, which one got more volume now, right?
Yeah.
Compared to this one no volume. This one have. There is volume one. There is. There is volume. And the volume is actually pick up since last year.
Yeah.
I mean, it can be first push, pull back,
2025.
another push. Can never know really. It can happen. It can happen. I don't
Yeah.
want to go into USD, USD pair, USD currency. Some people go to USD currency. I say, fuck lah. No need to overcomplicate lah. No need lah.
Yeah. It's too complicated.
Because if
Yeah.
you use that one, that means you are not really using price action. You're using correlation. Right. So I
Yeah.
rather use price action kind of. That means it's just now at least I think got whether got the buy momentum still pick up or not. Actually, for instance, if you look at the daily, right? Daily, is this a strong sell momentum? No, right?
No.
Can I call this doji also? Can I call this doji also?
No, I I don't. I think can.
Can lah,
No.
small candle mah. Small
Yeah.
candle is
Small.
always doji, right?
Yeah.
Doji can also be a reversal. So right now, for instance, like example, like this kind of thing, you want to sell, I tell you seriously, then you hoping for breakout, I don't think so already. Even if you break out, if okay lah, in the next 4 hours, this one break out, I won't be surprised Monday go back in.
You don't think so?
Hmm. Kalau Monday go back in, then okay lah, follow our
This one
our
now.
analysis.
Yeah.
Our analysis for buy because right now, if we look from here, I mean, for all we know, it can be a fakie. This one is actually in sub-bar breakout, right?
Yeah.
Just now is a just now is a fakie, and now breakout, but still haven't
Breakout.
closed. Yeah, but still haven't closed. Sideways, and
Never
then
close above,
this
right? Yeah.
4 hour. See, while this 4 hour is strong, while that 4 hour is strong, it doesn't reflect the previous week momentum.
Hmm.
That's why. That's why it's good to do the weekly structure. Then at least you know, like for instance, right now people say, they want to buy or want to sell. I think it's not about buy and sell. The thing is that how long can your or your sell stands out
Yeah.
according to the trend. Like that. For instance, right now, the trend is actually looking towards upside, not downside. As much we can make money when it go down, yes, of course, that one everybody know. Right.
But
But the
this one.
outlook is if you base on trend and structure. Right, it's more towards upside now. It's really towards upside. Even from the daily, really towards upside. Because we already say that this a downtrend? No. Downtrend? No. Downtrend? No. Downtrend? No. This
I
one?
know.
Downtrend. I mean,
Yeah.
it's,
Suddenly.
we have a lot of data already to tell us that it's not yet downtrend. Even if this one go down, okay lah, probably we can go down maybe a bit more here, whatever, right? We cannot conclude that it's a downtrend yet. Unless price really break past the previous low, and then I in this case, in this example, right, price escape this mother bar, then maybe yes, downtrend.
Hmm.
Then maybe yes. But in this case, like no lah. In this case, no, because the way I see, if you look from this, there's a rejection. Okay, then you look from this one candle rejection, pin bar, whatever stupid shit. But if you look at the wave, this is a pullback. No matter what kind of pattern they do lah.
It's a pullback, right?
It's a pullback. Like example, for instance, this one this one macam sell signal go down. If you tell me this one is a sell signal go down, then this one is also a buy signal, what? But it's
Yeah.
not a buy signal, what?
In the
It's
end, I was
not.
like,
Correct
yeah.
not? But actually, if you look from structure, this one is also a buy signal, But actually, why price go down here? Then you look from the wave. The wave actually is not strong sell here. See, strong sell here, weak sell here, then become weak buy. That's why price go down.
Yeah. So
So
it's the
we
same.
so we look from that kind of perspective, then you see different already. Then we see
Yeah.
differently already. I
This one.
used to look at this one like that. Oh, this one's a buy signal. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and then I never use like relatively I call it relative candlestick formation. When you look at relative candlestick formation, then because at the end of the day, it's about the buyers, understanding the buyers and sellers, So
Hmm.
for instance, right now, the buyers haven't come yet, but the sellers not strong. Probably this one retail confirm.
Yeah.
Yeah, lah. Retail want to start the year with a bang. Sell until what? Confirm you go to any YouTube, they say, oh, pound USD projected until 1.319. Haven't even happened already.
Yeah lah, yeah lah.
Will not happen. When it happen, no one can predict that. No one can predict that it will go down. No, there's no guarantee that it will go down there. Even okay, see, even if you predicted that it will go down until low here, breaking this past support here. Okay, example, some people they trade price has broken this support here. So price has broken this support here. Price pull back, go for a sell. Is it correct? No, right? Correct. Doesn't matter. That means whatever break here, it doesn't really matter. What?
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter already. So that means what I used to see people trade is that there's a support here. Price break this support. Look for a sell around here. But your sell, you will die here. right? Your
Yes.
cell, you will die
Yeah.
here. So actually, this area is not a good time for a cell. Actually, they look for a cell is actually whether buy is weak, which is here. This is the good time to a cell. Monday, ironically, and
Ironically,
Wednesday,
yeah.
and Wednesday. Wednesday, so Monday, yeah, Monday. So Monday, the weekly, the 13th, starting of the week, and this one, this week, this is the week, this week you start to sell already. So actually, the cell, the cell momentum start to drive from this week onwards. Then after that, for some reason, the momentum start to dies down already. Then the buy momentum has taken over. Correct or not? So now
Yeah.
the buy momentum has taken over. So is this the sell momentum going to take over? I mean, what I only see,
Right.
I can only justify what I see. What I don't know what.
Yeah.
To me, the sellers haven't taken over. It's really sideways. To me, I'm still looking at this buyer spoofing up.
You're
Right.
waiting on it, right?
Waiting correct. And some more our 3 month already tell us. Correct not?
Yes.
Our 3 month already tell us this one is a rejection. This for me is a good pin. Because price go up, price come here, reject the previous area here. Right?
Yeah.
So this is a good pin. So the result of this one, because this one is 3 months, so not monthly. So this one can probably break out. Then break out this one uptrend in start.
It's 12 o'clock.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true. So,
That's how.
this
Walao,
one,
first time 2026, I analyzed 3 months in my whole. I never think. I know there is, but I never think. I never even go want to think about 3 months. But now it makes sense lah. Example for instance, example I say what it makes sense You look at this 3 month candle for you and ZD that 3 month this kind of volume what to trade?
That's why nothing, right?
Nothing. Exactly, nothing. I tell you, nothing. Like example, this one, right? This one. Okay, what candle is this? This is a doji candle, correct?
Yeah.
So doji candle, right, is also can be continuation or reversal. In this case, it's a continuation. But this
Yeah.
is a doji candle. It can be continuation or reversal. But remember, there's a strong buy here, then suddenly become weak buy. Then
Yeah.
after weak buy, what you know about the last 3 months, right, is that the buy is weak. So to look for a buy may not be wise. Okay, may not be wise. That means if you go for weekly, we see. If you go for weekly, right, you see, even your buy here, right, it doesn't really break the previous high, right?
Yeah.
Doesn't break previous high, no use, Daily, okay lah, it goes up, but how much only? This is a daily candle,
True. Yeah.
Daily candle, 653.
And then after that,
Nearly it go 100 pips lah. But who can predict this one can go until 100 pips? For a daily candle go 100 pips is actually not so good For me, daily candle can
volatile
go
lah.
daily candle at least 120 to 150 I consider good already. This one
You're saying it's too low.
this one here 20696. The high is 399. How high is that? High 170. As I say 100 and usually 120 and above. For me, if I want to say daily candle,
High.
right, how high it can go, the good one, volume one, 120 and above. 100 is okay. Just like, I mean average. I call it average. Like this one, for instance, gold is actually more than average. It's not average already.
More
It's just
than
that the volume start pick up already. Actually more than average now. High 4482. Actually the low is 4452. Now is what? 451. 500 plus, right? 500. At least 500. Right?
Well, yeah.
500, 600 actually.
You what? You mental? I
The
thought you use
peak.
the ruler by the side one, the one that can count for you, ma.
Where?
The one at the smiley bottom one.
Oh, this one. I never use it.
Oh,
Then
you measure and see.
can
For
measure.
Huh. And then you go down, you drag it down.
Oh, like that. Ah.
Imagine for you 40 pips.
This one is
Oh,
what?
this is gold. Oh, gold. Also, it's small lah. Gold is 300 over lah, I think.
Yeah lah, 300 over.
Yeah.
Actually, that one is from the what? From the that one, but if from the candle wise, from the low, it's actually more than 300. 500, 600.
Easy so much.
Oh, if from the low lah.
Oh, yeah.
From the low is actually 500. From the low is here. Right? From the low is actually 500 or 600. I count from the low. A lot. But good thing we know that right now is actually there's volume lah. There's volume. So the outlook for gold is very interesting. I mean, even if you miss January, never mind. I think February will be good lah.
Will be a good time also, right?
Be a good time. So sideways, look for sell. Actually going to start downtrend probably. Probably going to start downtrend. But I think wait until the next candle become big bar momentum, then it start to sell.
Mm.
Oh. See, no use. Follow the candle, no use man.
Really no use, huh?
See, fakey. Fakey. See, so the outlook stays. Okay, so our outlook, then I will share later in the Discord because this one we recorded, so I will share. Then I will share with them that this is what we go
A long
through.
time I didn't go Discord also.
Yeah, it's a long time I never go.
Never log in like I don't know how many months already.
Yeah, like one month, because we 1 month plus never trade, right? So
Yeah.
no, the thing is, if I got nothing, I cannot just, it's like what, in no point, I never trade. Then I want to share my idea for what? Doesn't make sense,
Yeah. You don't need to look already. What is your holiday? You don't need to look. So don't go and look at the chart already. Take
I
a break
already
already
say
lah.
I never look. Then I share. Oh, this I did. Then I mean like to me it's like what I mean I don't tweet. I don't tweet lah. I mean like what I said I might just take a break. But I think it's a good lah. Then maybe for coming few in the few years to come, probably December just take a break lah. No use lah. 11 months you slog out 1 month take a break lah. It's like example, even same like Chinese New Year and Hari Raya. Oh, we got one. It's like once a year only. It's the same thing, right? Sometimes we all take a break. How doesn't make sense, man. No need lah, no need lah. December is the best not to trade.
Everybody also take break, right? All the Ang Moh take breaks. We also take break lah.
Yeah, lor, correct. Okay, can. So I'll just stop here. I'll see you next week. Next
Next
Friday. Next Friday, Beta will be here. Because now she tell me she cannot make it today.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll see you guys. See you next week.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks so much,
Hey,
Ras.
take care, Teddy. Bye bye.
Thanks,
Happy New
Ras.
Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.